Hello, my name is Pavel. I'm here because I want more people to learn about the value of intellectual property. This video is about how to protect your AI generated art from copying. You'll get some practical tips as well as some good reasons on why you should implement them. Well, most of us have seen this type of videos. How to generate income with AI. You just put a prompt into the AI system, you get some outcome in forms of image, text, or video, and then you put it for sale on, say, Etsy or Amazon or OpenSea. Easy and elegant. What if I offer you the way which even easier than that? You go to, say, Etsy, you select the most selling design, and then you copy it and sell it as your own. I'm not trying to be mean here. What I'm trying to say is that AI generated art does not enjoy copyright protection. Copyright, in a nutshell, means exclusive right to use this work, to copy it, to sell it, and allow others to copy and sell. If you don't have a copyright, you don't have exclusivity. If you don't have exclusivity, you cannot stop others from copying and selling the design which is identical to yours because you don't have a copyright protection. So, how to overcome this? Here are some easy tips. So, tip number one for gaining copyright protection is to add some sort of human component because copyright protects everything that's created by human. In terms of AI, what it can be. So for example, if you're working with images, you might combine different images. So the combination becomes intellectual property protected. If you're working with a book, so you might want to write your original story, original text, and illustrate with AI images. In this way, the images won't be protected by copyright, but the text would be. So it would be hard for someone to copy it. And also, if you are generating images or text, you can manipulate them in a way. So Photoshop in case of images, or rewrite the text offered by AI to make it human and to make it copyright protectable. Tip number two is to put on layers of intellectual property protection. In this case, means of identification. So in your work, in your art, you can put your signature, you can put your trademark, logo, or name somewhere that if someone is copying this image, they are using your trademark and thus they can be infringing on your trademark rights, even though the image itself might not be copyright protected. And finally, most will agree that the main asset when working with AI is the ability to write prompts. So basically, what I ask you is to keep your prompt secret. Even though most systems don't guarantee that you will get the same results from the same prompts in different times, you still might want to keep your prompts secret. And by the way, the prompts as such are original and copyright protection protected in themselves. Yes, and why you should implement those tips. One is obviously you will have a legal right to take action against someone trying to copy your work. So you can put takedown notices, you can write cease and desist letters, you can go to court and sue this person who is copying your work. The second reason is less obvious, but it's also a bonus because YouTube, for example, they are changing their rules and they will not allow commercialization of the content which was generated by a computer programmable and repeated content. Etsy, so far, they allow AI generated content, but my guess is they'll also be going into this direction of prohibiting machine generated content and to have more original work. So if you follow those tips, you have more original work and your works are more likely to be listed on those platforms and commercialized. Yes, it was all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please stay subscribed, like and comment and let me know what you think.